And you know, it's always been outside.
Yeah.
Is this your ride, Ray? You're over there, Ray. Yeah. Oh, Jerry made it. Yay, Jerry.
Hey, Jerry.
Weirdo? Oh, I thought you meant the bike.
This is the slim and simple version. Already had one.
Oh, you did? Yeah, a modern one or an older one?
Yeah. It works good with just the pipes into one banjo.
Hey, Janice. How are you? Good.
Hey.
20 bananas. This was really good.
Other side. How are you?
Good.
Good to see you out there.
Yeah,
I missed it last year. I was in Mexico, but
Well,
I am here this time.
goddamn, coming through the caravan?
Dia de los Muertos. I love seeing your Hesketh out here.
you.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. Did you ride it last year too?
No, I've never brought it here before.
Oh, good. First outing. Pop, 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 pop. Hey, does this thing have a move button on it?
You know, this was a souvenir from a steer hunt.
It's
I shot the steer.
and
I cleaned it. I gutted it. I skinned it. I quartered it.
it's
And I
great,
had
Dave.
I had the hide in the freezer for.
And you got
years.
matching brown pants. So
I didn't have
it's-
enough to make pants. There wasn't enough left.
Yeah,
to
right.
hide, so.
But the color's right.
Yeah,
it
yeah.
goes good. You're sharp. You get my award for sharpest outfit. You got that new one. I didn't. Yeah. They're better. Hey, better is better. I subscribe to that.
Is that something?
Yeah, I'd have one of those before I'd buy the 961 Norton.
Hey man, whenever I ride them, just a little too stretched out, and I get for fun for about 10 minutes, and I'm wishing I was on.
I know it. I'm lucky in that regard. I can still ride them without pain. And I can still kick them, but I don't know. My days are limited. Right. Oops, sorry. Hey, Jeff.
Hey, Jerry.
Hey.
One you don't have.
I know all about it. I've been talking to Marty. You know,
Yeah,
I
cool.
know all about these through Anthony. You know, I've been involved, and I know Leo Goff bought the one that. Well, his friend Leo got it for his friend, but that's the one that was at Raber's for so long.
Wow.
This one was unknown to me.
Yeah?
And you did a good job.
Oh, I didn't. Somebody
well-
else did. I just make run.
Well,
You know, yeah. I
yeah, the
sorted out some of
cosmetics,
the other
but
stuff.
right.
Right.
Yeah, this is the first of the hybrids.
Yeah.
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 I very badly wanted the one at Raber's, but I couldn't pay his price. Yeah. For another bike to just sit around in the garage. I'm already starting to sell some of mine. I got too many to take care of.
What do you?
Yeah.